good morning, everybody. Right here in California, almost 9 a.m. in the morning. Say hello to the J Freaks, J Series, JV61320, and all associates. 7th generation Accord. Full description today about this motor mount. I know there's a lot of controversy about this motor mount. Right here, we have the OEM Acura, not Accord, Acura TL, base model 6-speed or TL Type S 2007, 2008, or base model stick shift 6-speed manual 04, 07 base model, or 08. I think 08 came too. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install this motor mount in your car. Like I said, in 7th generation Accord. These Accords. Say hello to the Beamer right there. I like more Hondas. 7th generation Accord. See it? Okay. First of all, if you need this bracket, period, there's no way to install this motor mount without this bracket. If you're gonna use the OEM motor mount, the regular, not the innovative, we got the innovative right here, you will need this part. There's no way you can waive it, because you see it got the form of the motor mount right there. Okay, but if you're gonna use the innovative mount, because it's a really upgrade, you're gonna only use the bolt. Why? Because this part will crush the bushing. See it? See it? It will crush the bushing. Now we don't want that. Okay? Okay. Let's now talk about how to install it. Okay. Because we have an Accord right here, not a TL. If you got a TL, you don't have a lot of issues. But when you got an Accord, it's not a big issue, but you need to do some modification unless you want to spend money. That's your decision. This bracket, this motor mount, you just eliminate it, just delete it, and came this one. It's exactly the same bracket, the same base. The only difference is this part right here. You see it? But the base is exactly the same. I already tried it and fit perfectly. I'll show you right here. Right there. You see it? Fits perfectly. All right, let's take it out. Okay. But now we go into the modification part. If you have an Accord, you got two options. First option, you can buy the TL mount, cost around OEM cost around $75 to $100 in Honda. In O'Reilly's, in this case, this motor mount, this is a piece of rubber, really. I don't think it's making a lot of differences. O'Reilly costs $50. But you don't want to spend money like me. I'm not going to spend like $50. You see this base right here? Okay, this base have a welding part. You see it right there? You can cut that welding part and take out this part right here. You can take out that part. Why? Because that part is in the motor mount. See it? Exactly the same with Innovative. Exactly the same. If you wanna compare it, it's exactly the same. The only thing, this part right here, on a core only, 6-speed manual. Mine is 6-speed manual from the factory. I don't convert it. I don't do any swap manually, whatever. No, you have to cut it. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna take the grinder and cut it. Cause the rubber is still hard, and really there's no not motivation. There's no reason to buy another motor mount one. This one is really good. Yeah, you can use both. The regular one, this one is for sale. I'm gonna sell it for $75. It's extremely new, no cracks, no nothing. Cause I buy the Innovative one. I'm gonna use the Innovative. Okay, one last thing. This is a secret a lot of people don't know. When you're trying to find this set, this motor mount in specific, with the top motor mount, it goes on right here under the chassis, in this area right here. You know what I'm talking. If you are a JV6 freak, okay, get those mounts, you need to do the search for Acura TL, not for a cord. Okay, you go to Innovative and they came in a set, this one and the top one, and this is the weakest mounts on these cars. The bottom one and the top one is a great upgrade to make more torque goes on the tires. Yes, search it for Acura TL. It will fit perfectly without any big modifications. The top one, bolt on right away. You don't have to do nothing. They are kind of really a bit difficult to install it, because remember, they are 75A polyurethane. They are really hard. Yeah. After that, you're ready to go. You see, these motor mounts are exactly the same. Just on this one is the OEM, and this one is the Innovative. Remember, to find this kit, you can go innovative.com, or you can go eBay, you can go Amazon, you can find it. Acura TL Type S or base model manual transmission, and you will find this set. It came a set of 2. This one and the top one on the transmission. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, everybody. Again, right here, the Accord man, saying hello to the JV6, saying hello to the JV6 in California. God bless everybody. And remember, Jesus is the King of Kings. Without him, there's no thing possible. God bless you all. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.